Here we will see mathematical functions in SQL Server. First is ABS. This function returns the absolute value of a number which is passed as an argument. General syntax is ABS number, where number is a required parameter which specifies the numeric value. For example, select ABS minus 243.5 will give the output 243.5. Next is selling. This function returns the smallest integer value that is greater than or equal to a number. General syntax is selling number, where number is a required parameter which specifies the numeric value. For example, if we give select selling 25.75, it will give the output 26. Next is floor. This function returns the largest integer value that is equal to or less than the given number. General syntax is floor number, where number is a required parameter which specifies a numeric value. For example, select floor 25.75 will give the output 25. Next is exp. This function returns e raised to the power of a specified number. The constant e, whose value is 2.718281, is the base of a natural logarithms. General syntax is exp number, where number is a required parameter for which the e raised power is to be found. For example, select exp1 will give the output 2.71828182845905. Now we will execute these queries. First function is ABS, so we will give select ABS of minus 234.56, and when we execute this, it will give plus 234.56. Now we will execute this command with table. First I will use the database project 1 and I will use table student. So select star from student. Here I will use absolute function with field mark 1. So select ABS mark 1 comma mark 1 from student. And when I execute this, it will display minus 3 as a plus 3. Then we will use selling function. So select selling 25.75. When we execute this, it will give 26. Now we will use this function with table. So select selling percentage comma percentage from student. And when we execute this, it will round up the percentage column. 50.5 will round up as 51 and 26.5 as round up as 27. Then we will use floor function. So select floor 25.75, and when we execute this, it will give 25. Then we will use this with table. So select floor PER comma PER from student. When we execute this, it will round up as 50 and 26. When we execute this with selling, it will round up as 51 and 27, and when we use floor function, it will round up as 50. Next we will see exp function. So select exp of 1, and when we execute, it will give exponent value of 1. If we give here 2, it will give exponent value to the base e for 2.